there.
Good run forward from Negri, the fullback, the cross in. Messi takes it in stride, in off the post. You just knew it would happen the minute he set foot on the field.
Does so well. Just puts his ball into a dangerous area. The areas where Lionel Messi likes to lurk. All he needs is that smallest window to get the first.
And then all it takes is the one little run in behind. Taylor's in.
Taylor, no, Messi is in! He is inevitable. He needs just the one moment. Time and time again, his 8th goal of the season.
For the goal every single time. 8 goals, 6 assists.